right.
Oh, these bugs are everywhere.
I know. You got to meet Chloe today. We're going to.
Okay, let me.
And you can see we're steering, and there's a big stick. No, and there's a bunch of bugs.
I'm getting attacked.
Exactly.
This is why we shouldn't go canoe riding.
Oh my god.
Let's just ditch this ride.
We're back in the ditch for the 5th time. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is what happened.
Guys,
I'm seriously getting attacked.
So am I. This is crazy. Freaking mom.
Oh my god.
oh my god. Mama!
You rolled it.
One pick you! Ew, 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 ew! Get away! Get away from me, bugs!
Alright, we're just gonna have to be bit a couple times. I just got
Guys,
bit too.
guys,
Back us up. Just keep backing us up. We're good.
guys.
I'm just trying to get straight.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, okay, we're going back. We're going back. What?
All we have to do is go straight.
Okay, if you could just stop filming the inside of the boat, that'd be great.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're a bad camera person.
Well, all these.
Oh, I just got tore up.
Well, we're here in the nature.
Cole, let me. Cole, stop rowing.
Oh my god, I'm
I
gonna.
just got us from hitting that. Oh my gosh, you're screaming at me.
Oh my god.
My foot is swelling from this. I had like 3 huge things biting me at the same time.
Exactly. Are they like flying things?
I don't know, but they were like horsefly. I don't know, but they were yellow ones.
Exactly.
Get away from me.
Did
There's.
they have like dots on their wings?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what was bidding.
Okay, we're getting ready to hit the trees.
It's fine.
Chloe,
What?
turn that off if you're not going to
Oh my God.
videotape me or brother. Whoa. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Great.
I just need a motor now. Oh my god, please, God, just get us out of this part.
This is your fault, Mom.
Why are we going backwards?
That's what we need to do.
Are we still on a tree?
Yes.
Get us off of the tree, for Christ's
Something is
sake.
still biting.
Guys, this is
Oh my god.
really. This is really.
Oh my god, we're on
That's-
top of this big ass tree.
That's over there where we came from, but now we went over there. It's
Oh
really.
my god. We're stuck on a tree.
Oh my god.
Oh my
god. I'm scared.
We're stuck on the flipping tree.
And we're stuck on the flipping tree.
Keep paddling.
The water's
I'm
really
trying.
warm.
I'm pushing the tree.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dead, I'm
Oh my
dead.
god.
We're going
I'm
backwards.
pushing the tree.
Alright.
Okay, now we have to
Now
go
let's
that.
go that way and then turn.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Mom, this is all your fault.
See a tree.
Tree, 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 tree.
Now put your paddle away and let me do it.
Okay.
Are you sure? Because you're the one who got us into that place.
Okay, I told you we weren't skilled enough to go back there.
Exactly, and you still yet went back there.
Well, you never know.
You never know what you will see there.
Trees and stuff.
Okay, guys, bye. This is really scary.